As an Astemo site, we make automotive electronics. We do driver assistance systems which control braking, lane departure, cruise control. I currently lead a team of engineers and maintenance technicians responsible for all production equipment on site and all plant facilities. So every aspect from investment, energy usage, efficiency and process design. The driving force for putting in a system such as panoramic power was the drive to carbon neutrality. Our biggest challenge previously was that all our energy reductions were completely reactive, which meant that a lot of our improvements on energy usage were by gut feel. So we wanted to be proactive and be able to look in our energy usage data live every day, every shift, every hour to identify where we could reduce our energy consumption. We compared around 8 to 10 systems, and the big selling point for us on panoramic power and the big change was how simple it is, how flexible it is, and how easy to install it was. Once we saw the system in operation, it became quite a simple decision. And we installed our first sensors in 2021. The biggest chunk of the work for us was in identifying which pieces of equipment we were going to put the sensors on. We were able to contact Renteknik and very quickly get advice on what best to use for this, whether we can expand the use for compressed air. So their support was invaluable during the rollout phase. We were advised by Renteknik to start at a high level and then work down. So start with our site point of view and work down and gradually get to the finer details of where we were using our electricity. So we can identify when certain pieces of equipment are starting to run inefficiently and therefore maybe about to fail. So we've been able to prevent some breakdowns from happening.
I use the system on a weekly basis, daily basis. I do oversight the whole plant, but I can also go down to granular level and understand what's going on in particular areas. Panoramic power allowed us to reassess our cost per unit rather than an estimate, and we can monitor certain processes just to make sure we've got the most efficient and optimized process.
We initially justified the purchase of panoramic power on a 12-month return of investment. The biggest success we've had is that we actually achieved that return of investment within 6 months. Renteknik advised us get as many eyes on the data as possible. The more eyes you can get on the data, the better. And that has proved invaluable because the system is so easy to use. It doesn't need a vast amount of training to be able to start to identify improvements. The system is an engineer's dream.